Yes, my dear 10 students, in the last class we already studied about what? The general form of arithmetic progression and nth term of AP, that is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we have solved some more examples, 2 to 3 examples based on the nth term of AP. So, now in this class we have to study about what? The sum of nth term of AP. Okay. So, that indicates that what? Sn is equal to, so we have two formulae here. So, the first formula is what? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first formula. So, once again they have given what? The one sequence, that is for example 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So, this is what one sequence. So, the Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this case n is equal to the number of terms, a is the first term, again n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. If they have given the last term, so this is what an. If they have given the last term, we have changed the formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Here again n is the number of terms, a is the first term, an is the last term. So, these are two very important formulae, that is sum of nth term of AP. So, I will take one example based on these problems. So, first example is, example number 1 is, the sequence is like this. I will take the simplest example here, 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay. Find the sum of first 10 terms. They have given a sequence 1, 3, 5, 7. So, totally how many terms are there? They have given n is equal to 10, that is from this n is equal to 10. So, this much is given. So, from this a is equal to first term, a is equal to 1, common difference a2 minus a1, d is equal to a2 minus a1, 3 minus 1, d is equal to 2. Okay. So, we have n, a and d, then we have to use the formula, that is first one. So, Sn is equal to, once again we have to write what formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just substitute the values, then we will get the sum of 10 terms. Here n is equal to 10, therefore, S10 is equal to n is 10 divided by 2. Okay. Next 2 into a is nothing but what? First term, that is 1 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d, 10 minus 1 into, what is the common difference? Common difference is 2. Okay. So, see here 2 ones are 2 5s are, here 5 inside the bracket, 2 ones are 2 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 2. Okay. So, next S10 is equal to 5 into bracket 2 plus 9 2s are 18. Okay. First we have to simplify what? Inside the bracket, afterwards outside the bracket. 5 into 18 plus 2 20. Therefore, S10 is equal to 5 2s are 10, 1 0 as it is. Therefore, for this sequence S10 is equal to what? 100. The sum of 10 terms is equal to 100. They have given another problem like this by using the second formula, that is I will take another sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. Okay, up to 20. Example number 2. They have given one sequence and also the last term an. So, just you have to use what? Second formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Okay. So, from this a is equal to 2, first term, d is equal to a2 minus a1, 4 minus 2, d is equal to 2, and number of terms, totally how many are there? Last term is 20, an is equal to 20. The number of terms we do not know, just we have to 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 20. Totally how many terms are there? Just we have to divide 20 by 2. There are totally 10 terms are there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, n is equal to 20 by 2. Common difference is 2. That is why there are totally 10 terms, n is equal to 10. So, we have to use any one formula. Okay. So, whether directly we have to take Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. Here d is not necessary for this formula. For first formula we have to use the common difference. So, directly I will take second equation. Sn is equal to means what? S10 is equal to n by 2 10 by 2 into bracket a first term 2 plus an what 20. Is it right? Okay. Now, S10 is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 into bracket 20 plus 2 22. S10 is equal to, so 22 into 5 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 carry 11 110. Therefore, for this sequence 2 4 6 8 up to 20, the sum is what? S10 is equal to 110. In the next class we have to study about what? The next concept or next example. Okay. Thank you.